Well, there it is. That's the reason. It's the Harley FXS Softail Blackline. I just traded in Honda VTX 1300 for it. I've been out for a while on it today and it's everything I expected. Should have done it years ago. And here's one of the reasons. You just don't get that with a Honda. Or maybe you do, but anyway, that's my new bike. I might be doing an update later once I've had it a while, but at the moment, it's fine. I'm going to leave the screen on. I don't usually leave the screen on a bike, but I'm going to leave it on for a while, because it seems to be working bra today. Cheers.